a sewing project coming up that I need some fabric yardage with a repeat pattern. So I decided to use the new Derivan A4 screens and squeegees in combination with the Derivan liquid stencil drawing fluid. This is the design I had in mind. It's lots of monsters and eyes. Now I'm going to apply that using the Derivan drawing fluid to the new A4 Derivan silk screens. There are more videos on how to use this system on our YouTube channel. There's a link to those videos in the description. I've created an extra screen with the shapes from the drawing so that I can lay some colours in underneath the drawing of the monsters and the eyes. The first colour I'm going to put down in this layered design is the brilliant pink from the Derivan Screen range. The new Derivan A4 silk screens are perfect for this kind of job because they're nice and light and easy to use. For my next layer of colour in this design, I'm using the bright orange screen ink. I'm being a bit experimental with this next layer and trying different ways of printing over the top, sometimes changing the direction of it and offsetting it to the pink. I've finished putting down my layers of block colour and now it's time to put my drawing of eyes and monsters over the top using the Derivan black screen ink and my favourite Derivan palette knife. I've decided to place the drawing over the top, partially over the colours and partially over the white. Again, I'm not being exact in the way that I place this drawing design over the top. This is an abstract design, so there's no need for it to be perfect. And there it is, I've completed my continuous pattern design. Before you start your sewing project, you need to heat set your design using a hot iron. I'm also using an old tea towel to protect the fabric. You need to use the iron for 3 minutes in each section.